The 2024 Audi Q7 is a high-end midsize SUV that combines speed, comfort, and technology. Here is a full list of everything you can expect. The look and feel. Elegant design. The outside of the Q7 looks classy and carved, with signature Audi features like the single-frame grille and LED headlights. Interior with lots of room. The Q7's cabin is very nice and has lots of room for people and things. The interior experience is improved by using high-quality materials and careful workmanship. Ability to perform and handle. Engine options. The 2024 Q7 has two engine options. The 45 TFSI has a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that makes 261 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. The 55 TFSI has a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that makes 335 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Smooth gearbox. An 8-speed Tiptronic automatic gearbox is paired with both engines to make gear changes smooth and quick. Standard Quattro all-wheel drive. All Q7 models come with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, which gives the car great grip and driving in all kinds of weather. The technology and features are: Audi Virtual Cockpit. This is a fully digital cluster of instruments that lets you change how information like speed, navigation, and driver aid features are shown. Information and Entertainment System. The MMI Information and Entertainment System has an easy-to-use interface with a 10.1-inch touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto TM, and an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system. Peace of mind. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, both gave the 2024 Audi Q7 high marks for safety. To keep you and your guests safe, it has many airbags, a strong body, and high-tech features that help the driver. Price and trims, starting MSRP. $57,926 for a premium 45 TFSI Quattro. Top-of-the-line premium plus 45 TFSI Quattro, $61,427. $74,231 for the Prestige 55 TFSI Quattro. Overall, the 2024 Audi Q7 is a great choice for people who want a midsize SUV that is stylish, comfy, and full of useful features. The Q7 is a truly luxurious car to drive thanks to its sleek appearance, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology.